Good morning, children. How are you? I think you all should be fine. In the first video of this unit 2, we have learned a poem, After a Bath. In that poem, we have studied about the good habit of wiping out of our body. We learned many rhyming words. We learned about the different parts of our body, and along with that, some new words also. Okay, now in this part, the story part of the unit 2, we will read the story and I will give you in the three parts of this. Like the first part, I will read you the story, and in the second, I will give you the Hindi translation of this story, and in the third part, we will do the exercises given in our book. Okay, children? Now, the story name is The Bubble, the Straw, and the Shoe. All these three are friends. Okay? The bubble, which will make you will form with the help of soap and water. The straw, you use it to drink milk, cold drinks, soups, and juices. And the shoe, yes, that you wear when you come school or you go out for your with your mama or with your father. Okay, now let's read the story, listen and enjoy this story. Once upon there lived a bubble, a straw, and a shoe. One day they went into the forest. They came to a river. They did not know how to cross it. The shoe said, Bubble, let us float on you. Float means to swim. No, shoe, let straw stretch himself from one bank to the other. Then we cross the river bank where you deposit your money. Yes, that is also a bank, but here the bank means is the two land part of the river. After that, what happened? Let's see. So the straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. When the shoe jumped on the straw, it broke. The shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. The bubble shook and shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. Bang is a sound. Okay. Now I will tell you the Hindi translation of this story. बच्चों तीन दोस्त थे जिसमें एक बबल था, एक शू और एक स्ट्रॉ थी. वो तीनों ही फॉरेस्ट क्रॉस करने गए, लेकिन फॉरेस्ट में उनको एक रिवर मिल गई, नदी, जिसको वो क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते थे, उनको नहीं आती थी. तो उन्होंने कहा कि चलो हम शू के ऊपर बैठ कर क्रॉस करते हैं. तो शू ने कहा कि नहीं, स्ट्रॉ को कहते हैं कि वो दोनों किनारों पर नदी के अपने आप को लंबा बिछा लेगा तो हम क्रॉस कर जाएंगे, क्योंकि पुल की तरह काम करेगा. जैसे ही स्ट्रॉ ने अपने आप को स्ट्रेच किया, उसके ऊपर जोर से कौन कूदा? हाँ, वो शू कूद गया, जूता उसके ऊपर कूदा, और स्ट्रॉ तो अपने उस जूते का वजन सहन नहीं कर पाया, वो बीच में से टूट गया और दोनों शू और स्ट्रॉ कहाँ गिरे? पानी के अंदर. और यह देखकर कौन जोर से हंसा? बबल. और जैसे ही वो बबल हंसा, वैसे ही वो बबल फूट गया बहुत जोर की आवाज के साथ में. Okay, children, now we will do the exercises. In this, you have to learn these new words: bank, bubble, burst, cross, river, shoes, splash. Okay, now I can blow bubbles. Yes, I also like to blow bubbles because they reflect, rainbow type 7 colors in them. I can wear shoes. Yes, I also used to wear shoes. What is the name now? The name of the three friends? The bubble. What is the answer of this question? The bubble, the straw, and the shoe. Where did they go one day? They went one day into a forest. What did they want to do? They wanted to cross the river. Okay, children. Now let's talk. How do you make bubbles? As I have told you, we make bubbles with the help of water and soap. What do you wear on your feet? Oh, very easy, shoes. How do you cross a river? We cross a river over a bridge with the help of a bridge or with the help of a boat also. Yes, now we will use these words to fill these blanks, okay, to complete the sentence. The straw himself from one bank to the other. Here, this word stretch will come. The straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. The shoe dash on the straw. The shoe jumped on the straw. The bubble dash and dash with laughter. The bubble burst, no, shook and shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. Yes, in this way we will completed this part. Now let's come to the next. Wow, it's very easy and very interesting. You have to jump this baby baby of this frog from this puddle to the river. How? Like this. You will jump it like this. You have to make it the dots together and make a line. Now I am a frog. See how this fish like structure changes into a big frog. It means the baby of the frog is called tadpole, and tadpole is just look like a small fish, very different from the adult dog. Adult frog. Now you have to draw these things because these are made up of the bubbles, and you do this at your home and enjoy. Now let's sing this small poem with the action. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap on knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yarn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Here also you are learning some rhyming words like three, knee, head, sleep, and bed. Okay, children, in this way, rhyming words have the same sound at the end of the word. And in this exercise, you are learning the numbers. Numbers means you have to count and you have to match with the numbers written and their names. Okay, like this 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, we will match it with this 7, and rest you can do by yourself, easy. I think this is the next part. Look at these objects, put them into a tub of water and say which one will float and which will sink. Float means like a swimmer or a boat, and sink under the water. Yes, this ribbon float, feather will float, marble it will sink, leaf will float, stone will sink, stick will float, paper also float, straw will also float, shoes sink, and spoon will also sink into the water. Okay, children, it means few objects float and few objects sink in the water. And now the enjoying part of for you, that you have to draw the well and color it and say the rhyme aloud. Rhyme means the rhyme is given here. A bell fell in the well, ding dong bell. Okay, children, and in this way you can learn and you can enjoy this lesson. And in the last part, what I am going to tell you is that you have got some new words in this lesson. Please learn the spellings of all these and try to write each new word 3 times so that you can improve your handwriting and you can learn the spellings easily. Okay, till then, bye for the next unit number 3. Till then, you all enjoy and do well. Thank you.